Hey guys, I just want to go over some questions from your Unit 4 practice test, especially the bottom one. Okay, so with these, you'll have similar ones like this on your test. However, I broke it down to be multiple choice instead of free response like I did your practice test. So if you have not already, go back and check to see the comments I left for you because I put the correct answers on the bottom two free responses. But so for number 3, so the first couple are solving equations. So draw your line. Remember, I'm looking for the 2x. So minus 10 cancels those out. 2x equals 20 minus 10 is 10. So when you divide by 2, x equals 5. So on your quiz, which I don't have pulled up anymore, I can't remember what letter that was. I think it was A. Okay, so then the next problem. Be careful when you're doing this one. It's a -7 minus a 5. So they're both negative, so your answer stays negative. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and then you divide by 3. So x is going to equal a -4. And remember, if you're not sure, plug these back in. All of these you can plug back in and see if they're true statements. What do I mean by plug back in? I mean, take your original equation and wherever there's an x, plug in what you found. So 3 times -4 plus 5 has to equal -7. -12 plus 5 has to equal -7. -12 plus 5 is -7, has to equal -7. Oh, look, that's true. So I did it right. Okay. The last couple you have on your test are going to be word problems. Okay, so 3 plus the quotient of a number and 2 is 7. Find the number. Okay, so remember, is 7 means it equals 7, or a total of 7, whatever it says. 3 plus the quotient, excuse me, 3 plus the quotient of a number and 2. So that's saying 3 plus, quotient means fraction, a number, and 2. It goes in order, so x over 2. Okay, then you had to solve it. So 3 plus x over 2 equals 7. So I have to subtract 3. X over 2, my pen is dying, equals 7 minus 3 is 4. And then this is x divided by 2. So I have to times 2 on both sides. So x equals 8. And if I want to check, if you want to check your work, 3 plus 8 over 2 has to equal 7. Remember, I'm not messing with this side. It's just going to equal 7 in the end. So this is 3 plus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 7. It's true. Okay. You'll also have one, I didn't write it down, but you'll have one that's a word problem, and it's going to be like, I don't know, like, let's say you go bowling and your shoes cost $10, or your shoes, right? And then it costs you $5 to bowl per hour. You spent total of, I don't know, let's say $30. How many hours did you bowl? How many hours did you bowl? Okay, so since you went bowling, your shoes cost you $10 and it's $5 to bowl per hour. You spent a total of $30. How many hours did you bowl? So when you're doing this, so I know it's a total of 30 hours. So let's just say 30 equals, because I know it's going to be $30. Okay, My shoes are $10, so that's just a flat fee. That's just $10, and then I'm adding something else on. Okay, so that's just a flat fee. This right here was my total. Okay, however much it says it is per hour or per minute, or it costs you $5 every hour, or whatever it says like that. That's always the part that's going to have the X with it. So in this case, it was $5 to bowl per hour. So this is $5, and we'll just say H for hour. Okay, so it's $10 flat fee for your shoes, and then it's $5 per hour to bowl. Per means multiply. Okay, then it says how many hours did you bowl? So this is question 1. Question 2 is solving it actually. So minus 10 minus 10, 30 minus 10 is 20 equals 5H. The 5 is being multiplied by the H, so I have to divide. 20 divided by 5 is 4 equals H. So 4 hours. Okay, if you can do all of that, then you are fine for your test today. Okay, have a great day, guys. If you have any questions or get stuck on anything, let me know.